The biggest mistake that you can make on question number 6 is not going back to the passage. This is not a vocab question. They're not asking you for the definition of a bridegroom. They are asking why this word was used in the context. So we need to go back to the passage. We need to read this paragraph, not just the word bridegroom. We need to read around it and understand the context. And this is a good example of how dumb summaries can help you out. Remember, we don't need to read for total understanding. We just need to get a dumb version of what's going on, and then we can use that dumb version to either eliminate some choices or hopefully pick one. And so in this case, we're just seeing, like, what else are they saying in this paragraph? So it says, matter, sir, oh, what could be the matter in your service? I've eaten your salt for all my years, but sir, on the bicycle now with my old legs and with the many injuries I've received when heavy machinery fell on me, I cannot any longer bicycle about like a bridegroom from farm to farm, as I could when I had first had the good fortune to enter your employment. I beg you, sir, let me go. So he's saying, okay, I can't do what I used to do. He uses the word his old legs. So when he was a bridegroom, or when they're talking about a bridegroom, they're talking about being old versus being young, as in when he first started working, he was young, and now he is old. And sure enough, that is a choice, and that is the answer. So notice this has nothing to do with what we normally associate with bridegrooms, which is marriage. This isn't about love. I don't know where busy comes from, and it's not about him being naive. Right? You can be young, as in have a young age, but not necessarily naive. You can also be old and be naive. Naive is not knowing something that maybe you should know. And they're not talking about knowledge here. They're talking about age. His body is old. He can't bicycle around anymore. So this is a very literal use of the word young. Naive is too far out. We don't have evidence of that. But the big picture is make sure you read this and look for things that are repeated as your dumb summary to better understand what's going on.